Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this set, we are doing a yellow spring design with hand-drawn bees, as well as line art and word art as well. I received a comment on my previous video from a subscriber to do a set with bees, and hopefully I did you proud. Hopefully you like this. But also please do comment on the video's ideas that you guys would like me to do, and I will do them to the best of my ability. So next we're going to apply our yellow acrylic. So I got this from a local nail store here in Toronto. I think the color is called Lemon, but I will have all the product names and colors in the description box. So I'll put everything there for you guys. So you guys saw I picked up a bead of yellow acrylic. I placed it right where the tip and the natural nail would meet. And then I'm just going to slowly work the acrylic down. Make sure to wipe your sidewalls as well. And then all of the nails are going to be yellow. The pinky is the only one that I kept in and showed you guys how I applied the acrylic. And then all the other fingers, we just sort of skipped over the application for them, but you will see the fingers complete. So next we're going to apply these sort of like hexagon shape things. I got them out of my chunky black glitter because I don't know how to draw a honeycomb. So I was like, okay, this could be my pretend honeycomb, I guess. But yeah, so you guys will just see me like layering them on the nail, just trying to make space in between so it does look like a honeycomb. But yeah, that's all I did here, and we just went up a couple lines. So I didn't go up the whole nail. I just went up a little bit. But yeah, you guys can just watch me do that. I also found that using a tweezer was easier because when I tried to move with the brush, the glitter would come off. And also dunk your tweezers in the monomer, that way it doesn't stick to the glitter and you can actually move it around. Hopefully that makes sense, but you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, next we are going to encapsulate our honeycomb. So the best way to do this, because we do have glitter and we don't want it to move by us going over the glitter with our brush, is to use wet/runny beads. That way you just point your finger down and the acrylic slowly runs itself down the nail. So that way it covers the glitter without you actually pushing with your brush and moving the glitter. Hopefully that makes sense, but you guys can see what I'm doing here. And then we are just going to fully encapsulate the whole nail. You'll just see me keep going in with clear acrylic all the way until we get to our cuticle area as well. So next we're just going to encapsulate the rest of the nails. I was so focused on keeping an eye on my phone that's recording the video that I didn't see. I didn't see at all that my monomer changed color. I did not know that this was a thing. So initially when you start, your monomer is purple, but I think because of how bright the yellow acrylic is, slowly somehow it changed my monomer to being green. I'm glad that when I was encapsulating, that the clear acrylic was still clear, that the fact that I used a green monomer didn't change my clear acrylic. Hopefully that makes sense. Next, we're going to go in with our hand-drawn art. We are going to be using Model 1's black gel polish. And I did make a little bee off camera because I was testing out. I haven't drawn a bee before. But then you guys are going to see me like make the bee bigger. And this is kept in real speed. So exactly the length of how it took for me to draw this bee is in this video. I did not speed it up or anything, just so you guys can see the whole process. So we started the bee by making a big oval, sort of like a football, I guess. And then we are going to go in and draw the little stinger for the bee. And then we'll also go in and draw the lines on the body that bees have. And then we'll also go in and draw the antenna. We'll draw the wings. And then I'm going to go ahead and like draw like eyes and draw, other different things. So after we've drawn our bee, we are going to cure in our LED lamp for 60 seconds. And then we're going to go in with white gel polish from Model 1s to draw in more details. So you guys will see me filling in the bee's wings in white so they pop, so they stand out. And then we are going to go in and draw like a little white eye for the bee. And then later on, you'll see me go in with like a black dot to give it a pupil. And then I think we made some little dots on the bee's stinger, and we also drawed a little mouth as well. So it's a cute little bee. I love how the bee turned out. And then after all the drying and adding all the little details to our little bee, we are going to cure for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to show you guys a little video of the bee close up. It is so cute. I'm proud of myself. Like, I didn't think that I could draw, but I can draw it. It's cute, but I mean, it's a bee, so it's at least a simple thing to draw, and we started slow. But yes, super, super cute. Love it. Okay, so I like the bigger bee better, so we're gonna do that one. I did go ahead and wipe off the little bee, and I drew a bigger bee on the index finger off camera. So next we are going to make dots on our middle finger. So these are the dots that are gonna come out of the stingers from both of our bees. I don't know exactly what this pattern is called, but I'm just gonna call it dots. So we are gonna be using our dotting tool to do this. So you guys will just see me like making dots all over the nail, and then I'm gonna make a loop as well, and then the dots will come down the finger and sort of connect to the bee stinger on our ring finger. Hopefully that makes sense, but you can see exactly what I'm doing. So next I'm going to wipe our loop and then do a bigger loop because I realized it was too small. And then afterwards I am going to go in with our dotting tool and make our dots big or even size, because right now they are different sizing, just to make it clear that this is the pattern that the bee is flying in. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love how this turned out. So pretty. It's so adorable. Look at the cute little bees. I mean, I realize now at this point that the index finger bee is a little bigger than the other bee, but it's fine. They're not twins. they're siblings, so it's okay. And then we are going to go in and cure each finger for 60 seconds. And then I am going to draw on the word B on our pinky finger, like right above the honeycomb design that we did earlier, because I wanted to tie in the set. I wasn't fully sure what to do on this finger, but then this is what I came up with. Next, we're gonna go in with our top coat. You guys already know that I love this top coat. So this is the Not Polished Gloss Set. It's so shiny. So I'm gonna be applying the top coat on all of the nails. They're all gonna be shiny, and then we are gonna cure each finger individually. Also, it's a little funny that when the finger goes into the lamp to cure, now all of a sudden they look lime green. Like what? But it's cool. It's fine. Next, we're going to go in with Cuticle Oil. I love this from Aimeli. And then you guys will see I'm just going to apply the cuticle oil on all the cuticles. And then I'm going to slowly massage it into the cuticles as well as a little bit up the finger as well. Now it's time for final looks. I am obsessed with this set. I absolutely love it. I was a little nervous when I saw the comment on the previous video for a set with beads, and I was like, oh my gosh, how am I gonna do this? But I love it. It's very simple to do, very easy to draw, very cute. I absolutely love this set. It's so adorable. It's so spring vibes. I love it. Hopefully you guys love it as well. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And again, please comment any ideas of any sets you'd like me to do or styles of nails. I don't know. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!